Good morning, my dear friends. I am PK from Aura Academy PK. Today we are discussing the most important questions relating to current affairs. And after that, we will give you, or I will give you, the explanations regarding it. The first question you can see in the presentation: the clinical trials of which nation's vaccine will also begin in India? Options: 1 USA, next Germany, then Italy, UK. You know from the daily newspapers, Oxford University and drug maker AstraZeneca has developed an experimental coronavirus vaccine. कोरोना वायरस के बढ़ते संक्रमण के बीच इसकी वैक्सीन तैयार करने की कई देश शामिल हैं। भारत, ब्रिटेन, अमेरिका, चीन और रूस समेत अन्य देशों के भी इसमें सफलता मिलती दिख रही है। ब्रिटेन की ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी द्वारा तैयार वैक्सीन भी इस रेस में आगे चल रही है। ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी और एस्ट्राजेनेका कंपनी की कोविड-19 वैक्सीन शुरुआती ट्रायल में सुरक्षित और प्रभावित रही है। मीन्स it shows a protective immune response in the early trials. According to researchers, it induced a strong antibody and T-cell immune response. The UK drug giant AstraZeneca has teamed up with Pune-based Serum Institute of India to manufacture 1 billion doses of vaccine. Currently, AstraZeneca is already conducting phase 3 trials of the potential vaccine, now known as Covishield, in Brazil, South Africa, and UK. Then also listen, Serum इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया के मुताबिक भारत में अगस्त के आखिर में इसके तीसरे चरण का ट्रायल करने जा रही है। इस वैक्सीन को भारत में कोविशील्ड नाम दिया गया है। ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की वैक्सीन, जिसे AZ1222 कहा जाता है, and therefore we can go to the question and you can answer it. The clinical trials of which nation's vaccine will also begin in India? Definitely the answer is UK. Then we can go to the second question. Who launched Manodarpan initiative? Important. Who launched Manodarpan initiative? You see the options. Well, first one, PM Modi. Second, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Third, Piyush Goyal. And the last, Smriti Irani. These are the three options given. From this option, we have to listen What do you mean by this Manodarpan initiative? Manodarpan initiative is what? And I will tell you what it means, and it may probably asked in exam questions. Manodarpan initiative with an aim to provide psycho-social support and counseling to students for their mental health and well-being. Union Minister for Human Resource Development, Union Minister for Health and Rural Development Minister, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched Manodarpan initiative on July 21st, 2020. That is most important. And therefore, who introduced this initiative? It is the question here. And the answer, you know very well, the answer is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Because I told you, this is an initiative with an aim to provide psycho-social support and counseling to students for their mental health and well-being. It was launched on July 21st, 2020 by the Union MHRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and this is the important question in connection with the current affairs, and that may be generally asked. Then listen what this project is. See the present situation. कोरोना संकट काल के दौरान विद्यार्थियों, उनके परिवार और अध्यापकों के मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए केंद्रीय मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्रालय ने विशेष पहल की है। विकास मंत्रालय ने छात्रों को तनाव मुक्त रखने के लिए ऑनलाइन वेब पेज और टोल फ्री हेल्पलाइन नंबर जारी किया है। छात्रों के मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए मंत्रालय ने एक टास्क फोर्स की गठित की है। कोरोना वायरस के बढ़ते संक्रमण के बीच ये इनिशिएटिव इम्पोर्टेंस है। And under this initiative or under this scheme, the minister launched a toll-free national helpline number 844-844-0632. Remember, the toll-free number 844-844-0632. A website of Manodarpan and a handbook of 21st century life skills for the students of schools, colleges and universities. Moreover, this initiative will provide strength, suggestions and support to students, teachers and families in the difficult situation. And therefore, I feel you can easily answer this question. Who launched Manodarpan initiative? Option B, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. That is the answer. And in today's session, our last question is, the Indian Army has acquired newly developed drones from DRDO. What are they called? Indian Army has acquired newly developed drones from DRDO. What are they called? Options are 1. Bharat, and the second one or दूसरा option India, and the third one Desh. These are the three options given here. Then we can go to what will be the probable answer. See, the DRDO has provided its indigenously developed drone named Bharat to Indian Army. You have heard of it. भारत और चीन के बीच जारी सीमा विवाद के बीच अनुसंधान और विकास संगठन ने DRDO ने डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने भारतीय सेना को स्वदेशी रूप विकसित ड्रोन भारत प्रदान किया है. This drone helped the army carrying out accurate surveillance in high altitude areas along the line of actual control in East Ladakh. Meaning, ये ड्रोन पूर्वी लद्दाख में वास्तविक नियंत्रण रेखा के साथ ऊंचाई वाले क्षेत्रों और पहाड़ी इलाकों में सटीक निगरानी करने के लिए प्रयोग में लाए जा सकते हैं. The drone works automatically with great accuracy. It is also equipped with artificial intelligence to detect friends and foes and can take action accordingly. Meaning, ये ड्रोन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस से बनाया है जिससे ये दुश्मनों का सही पता लगाने और उसके अनुसार कार्रवाई करने में समक्ष है. ये ड्रोन किसी जी अभियान के दौरान का वास्तविक समय और रियल टाइम में वीडियो प्रसारण करने में सक्षम है. That means the drone provides real-time video transmission during the complete missions and with very advanced night vision capabilities. It can detect humans even hidden in deep forests. And that is why this drone, this indigenously built one, is much important for our country, and it is also a question. And therefore, the correct answer is Indian Army has acquired a newly developed drones from DRDO. What are they called? The answer is Bharat. Option A is the answer. And then, thank you for attending this video. Once more, the full form of DRDO, that is important, Defense Research and Development Organization. And that institute was established in 1958. इसकी स्थापना 1958 में हुआ है. भारत ड्रोन का विकास DRDO की चंडीगढ़ स्थित प्रयोगशाला द्वारा किया गया है. That should also be remembered. It was indigenously built in Chandigarh Research Institute of DRDO. स्वदेशी रूप से विकसित भारत ड्रोन की श्रृंखला को दुनिया के सबसे छोटे और हल्के निगरानी ड्रोन की सूची में शामिल किया जा सकता है, and therefore this is very much important in exam questions. Thank you. We can meet on the next presentation. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please try to share it. Thank you very much.